Mahi.
And today we are making baked modaks because Ganesh Chaturthi is round the corner.
And for that I wore a kurti for the first time. So we're excited about this. We like combining Indian and Western desserts together. So the filling is actually going to be pretty different. It's not going to be like a regular modak.
Yeah. So let's begin.
For the dough for the modaks, you will require 1/4 of a cup of semolina or rava, half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1/8 of a cup of powdered sugar, 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of oil. For the filling, we're using crumbled brownies, and since it's a little dry, we'll be adding milk to it, and there's a little cardamom powder infused with the milk. For the filling, the brownie recipe we've used is the same one that we used for our first video, which was our deep fried brownie pops. Since it's a mithai, we didn't want any eggs in it, so it's an eggless recipe. And as I mentioned, it's a little dry, so to make it a perfect filling for a modak, we're just going to be adding some of the cardamom milk. Just add enough so that the crumbs of the brownies stay together. Now for the outer case, just put in all the dry ingredients, which is the maida, the rava and the sugar, in a big bowl. And essentially what you need to do is make a dough, rather like a chapati dough with the milk and the oil. So you'll need to add in all of the oil and as much milk as is necessary. Like I mentioned earlier, that would be around 4 to 5 tablespoons.
So we're gonna be baking these modaks since we are called Bakelicious. So yeah, that's what the dough is supposed to look like. It's firm, it's just like a chapati dough. And now we're going to be rolling them out into around 4-inch diameter circles. What we're going to do is we are actually rolling out a lot of dough together because we are really lazy. So we're just going to roll it out and then cut out circles from a cookie cutter. You can do the same or you can individually roll out circles, whatever you prefer. As thin as possible. So yeah, that's what it's supposed to look like. Chapati basically. So you should get around maybe 5 to 6 medium-sized modaks or around 10 small ones. So what you do is you just put the filling. You actually put a little water on the edges so that the dough sticks together. And then you just fold it like a regular modak. Pinch the edges together, hold them, and then pinch the top once. So that's what it's supposed to look like. As mentioned earlier, we will be baking it at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. And also grease your baking dish a little so that it doesn't stick to the bottom.
I hope you guys liked our unique modaks with the brownie filling instead of the regular coconut and jaggery stuff. You should totally give this a try.
Yeah, and baked modaks are actually not a thing. We decided to do something new.
Yeah, we thought that baking would be a good idea, and we actually found a recipe appropriate for that and modified it a bit. But these would definitely taste better if you deep fry them. Of course, we were trying to cut down on calories as well. We don't need the extra calories, but you guys should totally do that instead. It would these were good, no doubt, but they would be much better if you fry them. That is our opinion.
So do try these out and let us know what you think of it, since anyway Ganesh Chaturthi is coming and you will be making modaks. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to our channel, and bye.
That's it. See you guys for the
Bye.
next
See you
video.
next time.
Bye.